pacey. He's as sharp on his attack as he is on defense.
Don't worry, Your Highness. Nothing will keep you from winning the World Club Championship. Stavros Garkos can guarantee that the Hurricanes won't stand a chance.
Nice girl. Too bad she's hooked up with them.
Wow, Jock. The guys are looking great.
Well, now, Amanda, I wouldn't go as far as that. Still, I reckon we're in with a chance.
I just wish we had a better idea of what we're up against.
Aye, they're a bit of a dark horse, but they're the Prince of Mulravia's pride and joy. He's spent a packet on new signings, and he's their main goal scorer. What the dickens? That chopper's spying on us.
I trust you're ready to sign our contract, Your Highness.
Ah, yes. The contract. Of course, Garkos. As soon as we have beaten the Hurricanes. Let's head back. I'm ready for a swim now.
How's the view, Amanda?
Awesome!
Mulravia Atletico? Crikey, that ain't a country, it's a skin disease.
Hey, they've won enough games to play in a World Cup Championship qualifier, haven't they?
Makes me nervous playing an away game someplace I never even heard of.
That dude better watch it.
Huh?
Hello there!
Look out!
Stupid show-off.
Watch where you're going!
Ah! Oh, ah!
What the? Of all the absolute nitwits! Just who do you think you are anyway?
I am Rupert, Crown Prince of Mulravia. But you can call me Your Highness. And when you come for the game, I invite you to be my guest in the royal castle.
It's a great idea, Jock, to travel to Mulravia by road. It's a perfect job for our new team coach. It's much more comfortable than the old one.
Stone me if Mulravia don't look just like them Frankenstein flicks.
Ugh, even Frankenstein wasn't as horrific as Mulravia's top 40.
Now that's what I call music.
Beer gets up me nose, it does.
Yeah, it sure stinks. All this greenery and fresh air. It's enough to make you sick.
Too right, mate. It's so wholesome it makes me flesh creep.
Patience, gentlemen. Patience. Use your imagination. Once that little upstart Rupert signs on the dotted line, I can start drilling. Mulravia's oil reserves are enormous. When I'm through, people will have to go to a museum if they want to see what grass and trees looked like. They won't care. All these disgusting yokels will have jobs working for me.
Sounds great to me, Mr. Garkos.
And me.
Right then, let's get down to business. Is that the best you can do for disguises? Now, that's better. Remember, no one must know I'm involved.
Gotcha.
Of course.
I'm off to the castle. You two know what to do.
Too right, we know what to do.
So this is beautiful downtown Humpledorf. What a sight.
Cool. I don't know if my nerves can stand all the hustle and bustle.
In case you've forgotten, lads, we're here to play football. Now get in there and get unpacked. It's practice time.
Whoa! Now that's what I call a major ride.
If Mademoiselle would be so kind, His Highness awaits. Mademoiselle's luggage will be sent on after her.
See you peasants later.
Bye-bye, Your Highness.
I told you, Garkos, I am not signing anything until after we have defeated the Hurricanes.
I'm sure your Uncle Alfonso would have wanted you to.
Don't keep reminding me about Uncle Alfonso. I'm in charge now.
But I'll never forget his last words, Your Highness. Stavros, he said, take care of my dear nephew Rupert.
She's here.
Amanda Carey. Excuse me, Your Highness, but it would not be good for her to see me here, plotting the defeat of her pathetic little team.
Huh?
Miss Carey?
Hi. You're a Rupertness? Thanks for sending your car.
What are you waiting for, Dolt? Fetch Miss Carey's luggage at once.
Yes, Your Highness. Right away, Your Highness.
Well, this sure is some castle.
My family has lived here for 600 years.
How come they never redecorated?
And this is the royal refectory. That was my father, the Grand Prince.
I'm sorry. I didn't know he was...
I barely knew him. I was raised by my uncle Alfonso. He was a great scientist, and the best center forward in the history of Moravian football.
Is that how you got into the game?
I have a shirt that belonged to the great Bobby Charlton. Would you like to...
In training here at the Royal Moravian Stadium for tomorrow's World Club Championship qualifier, the Hurricanes are the team to watch.
Shush! Hear that? I thought the Hurricanes are supposed to be training.
Take it easy, mate. Someone's left the telly on.
I know that.
What did I tell you? Nobody here. Dream on, Cal Casey. Your history.
Oh, this should liven the place up. Too bad we won't be here to see it.
You better cut back on the garlic, mate. Brilliant. We'll get to hear everything they say, including their tactics for the game.
And when we finished, it's self-destructs. There's no way they'll beat Moravia after this.
Right then, coast clear.
The Hurricanes...
Flaming brilliant, if I say so myself.
Hurricane hardcores! This has got to be the nuttiest, out-to-lunches, mega-mondo bizarroest game in the history of the little round ball. Moravia striker wears the crown. It's treason if you pull him down. The Hurricanes could look like fools. Prince Rupert's got some crazy rules.
Whosoever tackleth his royal highness shall be tried for treason. Can you believe it?
Ow! Can Mama Honeychurch's boys stand this strain? We're in the dying seconds, fellow fanatics. The Hurricanes are leading by goal to nil, and it looks like Prince Rupert's only got the keeper to beat.
Final whistle.
It's offside, you idiot!
You need new glasses, dude! That was way offside!
It was a perfectly legitimate equalizer. Equalizer? Equalizer? It's a perfect load of old codswallop, that's what it is.
Guards! Arrest these two peasants at once!
Hey, Turkey! What's the big idea?
You dare to question the divine right of the Crown Prince of Mulravia to do what he jolly well pleases?
You better believe it!
The penalty for that is life imprisonment.
Hey, don't I know you?
Take them away!
With pleasure,
Your Highness. You better get used to the idea, mates.